Hey guys, it's Krishanti with Krishanti.com, bringing you weekly videos about psychic development, spiritual and personal growth, and relationships. And this week's video is a fun, short one. I'm bringing you a technique that you can do to help energize yourself and help you become more mindful and present and here in the present moment. This is based on a meditation that is taught in clairvoyant schools. It's the classic meditation that I do before every reading. This is just an aspect of that meditation. If you want that one too, the whole shebang, it's free on my website at krishanti.com. It's the grounding, centering, and running your own energy meditation. But there's a part of that meditation that involves you calling all of your energy back to yourself. So what happens when we go about our day, when we interact with other people, when we're involved in creative projects or things that take a lot of our energy can sometimes be out with those people or wrapped up in that project. I know so many times, you come home from work and you're still thinking about work. Well, not only are you thinking about it, your energy's there too. Or you're worried about this interaction with a person, your energy's still out there with that person trying to figure it all out and solve it. So many cases in which we put a lot of our time and effort into, we also pour our energy into it. But that means our energy's not here in our body in the present moment. We're lucky. Our energy can come in and out at all times, and we can be here. Like I can be here right now and then be thinking about my son at school, and bam, a part of my consciousness just traveled over there to check on him at school. That's how powerful we are. But that can make you weak in the moment because you're not all here. You're scattered. So what you do is, it's very easy. So you can imagine there's a beautiful golden sun over your head. You can write your name in the sun, and then you can have a big, huge magnet in that sun and have that magnet start calling all of your energy back. And you don't have to do anything. All you do is imagine your energy coming back from wherever it is. You don't even have to think about where it is or guess. Just postulate that it's all coming back. And then see that sun get brighter and brighter. The golden energy that you're visualizing naturally purifies and warms up and makes that energy really good. So it's just coming back in. You don't have to do anything but that. And then you imagine that you're poking a hole in the sun and a hole in the top of your head, and all that energy, your own vital life force energy, is pouring into your body with this beautiful gold color, which also harmonizes and neutralizes your energy in your body. And see it going all the way down to your feet, filling up your feet, your legs, all the way up through your whole body, down your arms and your head, and then bursting out of the top of your head and then into your aura. See it fountaining out into your aura all around your body, and then you can see your aura filled up with this beautiful golden energy. That's your own essence, your own vibration. And that will re-energize you and center you and bring you back to the present moment with all of your energy in you right at this point, like right now. And you can do this anytime you feel like you need a boost or a recharge. If you want to focus on a project and you know you need all of you here right now, do that and it will definitely help. You definitely feel a difference. And it just helps you to be more centered, grounded, and fully here, like more powerful, in all honesty, because you're less powerful when you're scattered. You're more powerful when all of you is right here. And you can call it your spirit, your soul. You can think of it that way. You can also just think of it as your chi, like your life force energy that you're just bringing back, like your consciousness. You can think of it that way too. And that's it. Just try it out. Let me know how it works. And also check out that free meditation on my website, because that is fun and it gets you into the state to be able to access your own intuition and do your own psychic readings and check things out for yourself. So let me know how it goes. And I think that's it. Thanks so much for watching, and I'll see you next time. Okay.